and run it again for them. Yeah.
Come on.
Uh-oh, look out. Oh, shit.
I don't, so I don't know, but we do.
Just like the light switch on a wall. That's 5 volts.
The first project that I really used the propeller chip on was this paintball gun. So, NeoPixel LEDs in each one of these. Running off a couple 12-volt batteries. This is my back.
Web D5. We hope you enjoy your visit.
Oh, are you like testing?
You do that.
Business is called Jimmy Jib, and they've used this board right here, which is an LM6.
That was real. It was a lot of fun. But I never really to
make these lights turn on and off. And I don't think I can make that work with the basic stand. I don't think that, and not in the volume of things that I want to turn on and off.
So then we've got the kit book, we've got the programming environment. So I was involved with Propeller ID a lot of the time. It's been kind of a